My in-laws, my mother and father-in-law, only spoke Yiddish. My sister-in-law and brother-in-law spoke some English, a lot of English, and we were able to converse that way after my mother-in-law passed. And I used to say, maybe it's a good thing we don't really understand each other because maybe we'd be fighting, you know. And then after she died, I once said to my sister-in-law, Arlene, what does oitza mean? And she said, oitza? I said, yeah, oitza. She says, it's like a treasure. And I said, you mean to tell me that my mother-in-law called me that? And even now, when I think of it, I could cry. And I think of, I never thought she really had that much use for me, you know. But I get verklempt when I think of the opportunity that went by, that I didn't know that she said that. She called the oitza, you know.